Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be starting with the second module, that is achievement, motivation, creativity and innovation. Now let us understand what do you mean by achievement, motivation. First clearly understand the meaning of the word motivation. Motivation means what? Okay, giving inspiration, guidance, encouraging the workers. Okay, so like that way how the workers or who are working in the organization or employees, how properly they will be motivated. So based on that we are going to study in this module not only achievement, motivation, and also we are going to study about creativity and innovation. Now you already know what is the meaning of creativity. Creativity and innovation means what? Something new concepts or new products, new ideas, okay, new process of production, that everything will come under creativity and innovation. Now let us understand the factors motivating entrepreneur. Okay, now there are different subheadings are there and main parts are there in that. So like that way we need to understand. In that first Roman number is what? Compelling factors. Now in this compelling factors, first one is unemployment. Now what is the meaning of unemployment? Okay, nowadays you can see that many people are facing the problem of unemployment. They are not able to get the jobs. Okay, so like that way how this problem of unemployment can be solved, so that people should be well secured and well settled and they should get a proper job. For that unemployment also, okay, if they are not getting a good job in a company, self-employment can be done. Self-employment means what? Getting employment for your own self by starting your own business. Okay, so that is self-employment can be done. So what all measures can be done in order to reduce this unemployment problem, so that people should be able to get a job. Then next one is dissatisfaction with job so far held. Now here a few employees who are working in the organization, they are not satisfied with the job which they are working. Normally what happens? Job satisfaction, this keyword or this term you need to remember. For what purpose the employees will be satisfied in the company? The employees mainly they are satisfied if they get a good salary, good working conditions which are there. Okay, means good infrastructure facilities. Okay, if they have been provided with better career opportunities and all. Okay, that time only the employee will be satisfied working in that organization. But here dissatisfaction with the job, if the employee is not satisfied with any of these following, okay, if he is not getting a sufficient salary, okay, if he is not satisfied with the working conditions which have been provided and all, okay, so that time what happens? If he is fully not satisfied working in the company, he cannot give a good result towards the company and he cannot become successful. Why? Because of dissatisfaction. Then next one is what? Make use of idle funds. Make use of idle funds means what? Okay, funds which are not being used, they have to make proper use of the funds. Like normally what happens, if you want to start any kind of a business or any kind of a industry, the main essential or main important part is what? Requirement of essential finance. Okay, so they have to provide whatever requirement of finance and whatever funds have been required. Then make use of technical or professional skills. Okay, now normally what happens, they have to make use of whatever the skills and talent are there in a person. It can be the technical skills or professional skills or whatever the managerial skills are there. The next one, family circumstances. Family circumstances means what? Now here I can give you an example that, okay, suppose imagine that, okay, a person is there, he is owning his own family business. So that you take example, there is one father and he has 4 sons. So father is having his own business, okay, and he will let his sons which are there, okay, to continue the family business. So that is family circumstances. Okay, so based on that the family business, the person, the son who is there, he will try to continue his family business. Now here one problem will be arising, that like I have given you example, one father is there, he is having his own family business and he has 4 sons. Like among them, okay, one son he will tell that, okay, what he will tell, he doesn't want to continue the family business, instead he want to do a job. So like that way, the family circumstances, whatever situation and circumstances are there in a family, that will force a person to do the job. So that is family circumstances. So this was the first Roman number, that is compelling factors. Now the second Roman number is facilitating factors. Now in that you can see that experience gained. Experience gained means what? How much experience a person is been having. Okay. Now suppose think that now if you want to get a good job in a company, first of all they will ask you how many years of experience you have. Now as a fresher also you can work in a company, okay, as a fresher employee, or you can take example that, okay, how you can work in a small company and get experience for 1 or 2 years. Okay, after that you can get a good job in some big companies and all, because of having that much experience. So that is experience gain. The next one is moral support. Now here 2 kinds of support will be there, that is financial support and moral support. Financial support means what? Now whenever the person is in need of money or finance, okay, then he can take help or loan from a bank, different financial institutions which are there, from his friends, relatives. Okay, that is the financial support, means anyone can support you in case of the finance or money. And moral support means what? See, in good times which are there, people will be supporting you, but suppose in the bad times there is no one in order to support you. So that is the moral support. Then next one is influence of success stories. Influence of success stories means what? Like here you can take example that, okay, people, the entrepreneurs who are the great entrepreneurs, okay, now these great entrepreneurs were more successful, they can be a learning lesson or they can be a model for the fresher employees, so that they can have the influence of the success stories. Then growth in market opportunities. Growth in market opportunities means what? They can try to build the market opportunities. Like nowadays you can see that there are many opportunities in the business or many opportunities in the market. So like that way they can try to make use of those kind of the opportunities. The next one is availability of finance. Now here they should take example that how much finance or how many funds are required in order to start the business. Then education and training. Education means what? Like here you can take example that on the basis of education, nowadays the education has been changing and all that. So how well the proper education can be done, and giving proper training. Now the third Roman number is ambition factors. Now in that ambition factor is the first one, to make money. Now here you need to understand that what is the meaning of ambition. Ambition means what? The aim or ambition a person has been having. Okay, the main ambition of an entrepreneur is what? First one, normally to make money. He wants to make more and more money. Then next one, to continue the family business. As previously I have told you that the person is having his own family business. Okay, so these sons who are there, they can try to continue the family business. The next one, to secure self-employment or independent living. Like suppose if there is a problem of unemployment, okay, self-employment can be done. Self-employment means what? Getting employment for your own self, means self-secure your own job or independent living. Then to fulfill desire of self or parents. How they can try to fulfill desire of self? Okay, desire means what? Whatever expectation they are having of their own self or the parents. Their own self desire will be what? To become more successful in life. Then to gain social prestige, means to have a good name in the society. Now these are the factors motivating entrepreneur. Now already you need to understand that compelling factors are there, facilitating factors and ambition factors. In compelling factors we have already studied if there is a problem of unemployment, how this problem can be solved. Then dissatisfaction with the job. If they're not satisfied with the job which already they have, then make use of idle funds which are not being used, okay, unused funds which are there. Then make use of technical or professional skills, okay. Then family circumstances, if they are having their own family business, okay, based on that, okay, how they can try to continue the family business, okay. Then facilitating factors are there, experience gained, how many number of years experience a person has been having. Then moral support, instead of getting the financial support, okay, financial support anyone can try to provide a source of help, but moral support means what? Like moral support means in case of the problems or difficulties, okay, few people easily they can try to support, whereas other people they cannot support. Then influence of success stories, which people who are there, okay, which great entrepreneurs, they can be a role model or an ideal person to the new entrepreneurs who are there. Then growth in market opportunities, okay, and availability of finance means how the finance is more available. Then education and training. Then ambition factors are there, what is the main ambition of an entrepreneur? To make money, okay, to make more and more money. Then to continue family business, if they are owning the family business, the sons will try to continue the family business. Then to secure self-employment or independent living, if they are facing the problem of unemployment, self-employment can be got. Then to fulfill desire of self or parents, means whatever expectation is there of their own self and the parents also. Then to gain social prestige, means having to gain the social prestige or name in the society. Now this is all about the factors motivating entrepreneur. Thank you.